But with truth and pure devotion let the faithful truly meet.
Judge not those beyond the household, God alone sees every soul. Yet still in the gathered body holiness must still be whole.
Called to live as light together, not in darkness cloaked with pride. For the church belongs to Jesus, sanctified and pure.